always interested to track what Google's investing in, and one of the things that we found out Google's investing in right now is a new gaming startup called Arcade. Now, right now there's really not much we know about it, but we have some data that shows us that it might be something like the HQ app that's very popular right now, that's a trivia app and it builds a community. Google did officially announce that they would not be tying into any other social network. They felt like this gaming platform would build its own network. So we're not sure where it's going to go. We don't know what it's going to do. But the fact that they're moving in and building maybe a new way to build a network through gaming could be really interesting. I hope Google's not trying to repeat what they did with Google Buzz or Google Plus, which were failures, of course, as their first ventures into social networking. This one is more of a twist as far as gaming, but they did use that term social network as well, so I think they might be tiptoeing back into those dangerous waters that they've struggled with in the past. So we'll see where it goes. Keep your eye out for Arcade in the next few months or a few years as we start to learn more about it.